That's coming up.
If you don't mind, give me about 5 minutes to let it cool down just a little bit.
Okay, I'm gonna make my rounds over here and I'll catch you before I leave.
Okay.
Okay. If nothing else, I got pictures and video of it. So.
I came today without a radiator fan in it, so I give a couple. They gotta let it cool down.
Yeah. Yeah, you taking a chance today, ain't you?
Daily driver. Daily driver does 155.
You had to put some extra springs in the back to lift it up.
Yeah.
You got too heavy, wasn't it?
Oh yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah. I worked spring in Terre Haute, Indiana. Did the custom rear end for me. I'd blown out on the passenger rear. I blew out 3 OEM struts in one season.
Oh yeah, it was just time to redo it.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's kind of how it is, man. Once you get that wall in there, it's just too much weight.
Yeah.
Did it go out when you were driving, and it just?
I had a big pothole, and it just
sat down.
Yep.
Ooh. Yeah, there's always something with the darn base vehicle, man.
Oh yeah, it's constantly breaking something.
Yeah, that's part of it.
It's probably cool down enough to give you a demo.
All right. Let me know what you're running there, man.
Hey, it's Scruff from Marts Digital. I've got 2 Resilient Sounds Platinum V115s on a Marts Digital MXB 8K, all Marts Digital amps on the highs, mids, Marts Digital DSP.
Yeah, the whole thing. Yes.
It'll take it a minute for the Bluetooth to kick in.
Okay.
BASSWITHKEV?
Yeah.
Gave you a demo of SMALLRIG a couple years ago.
It's been so long since we had a SMALLRIG. You have the same vehicle then?
It's different build, same vehicle.
Okay, yeah. You on social media anywhere they can follow you?
The car is a little Honda that could. It's got Facebook and Instagram.
Okay, y'all know I'm gonna tag them down below. Good seeing you. What's the next show you going to?
Next show I'm going to is probably gonna be Slam.
Okay, I hope I see you there, bro.
Hope I see you there.
Good seeing you, man.
Leave that door open, please.
Okay, thank you, man. That's coming up.